In this video, I'll show you how to find saved Instagram Reels. Ensure subscribe and turn on the notification for lots of educational guides that contains like this. Now, if you're on Instagram, right? Okay, let me see. I'm going to end up to the Reels right now. So there is a whole lot of Reels for you to watch, right? So you can see this, you can see this, you can see this. Okay, let me see. I'm gonna save. Okay, I'm gonna save this up, right? I'll save this up as well. I'll save this up as well. Now, for me to find all these saved reels, what I'm gonna click right now, I'm gonna click on the more button, right? You can see this saved right here, right? Once I've clicked on the saved, you're gonna see the Instagram reels. I'll just click on all posts, right? So from here, you're gonna see everything I've saved up, both the Instagram reels, both the post, and everything you need to see. So this is basically how you can find saved Instagram reels. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one. Peace.